All right. It's been a long time coming. We're finally gonna fix the wheel and replace the brakes. We got the part that we needed, which is this little thing that goes in the tire. So I still have the old one, but I'm gonna replace both of them so I can see if they both work out. And then I might just get a new cap for it later. There's a new rim in the tire to get it on there, and then we're gonna do the brakes as well, which we have in here. So I'm gonna make a whole video, and I hope you guys enjoy and can hang out and keep it on my chest because it's probably a lot easier to see that way. All right, first step is getting this stupid thing out. Sometimes it's temperamental because it weighs 90 pounds and then it's sitting on top of a crate. So the motor hub is sitting down on the ground. I don't know if I need to be on this side or the other side, but either way, we're gonna get it all done today. I need all of my bolts and screws. Oh, right there. All right. And all this. And then I have the part to put it back on. There's a thingy. Do it the old-fashioned way, I guess. I don't know. There was an Allen key around here somewhere. It's probably just my luck. Oh, there it is. Yeah, there we go. It's a lot easier that way. All right, the test. All right, so this essentially would go here. This one right here. So, very nice. That's great. All right. So now we have that. I have a few of these Allen bolts just to kind of hold it together. Actually, I might just leave these on because I think I don't know. So one of these actually attaches to the other wheel hub, and I don't know where. Oh, they might all do that, or maybe I got it backwards. Maybe it's the short ones that go. Hey. It's fine. We're figuring it out. All right. It's fine. I don't care if it tilts. I just need it to... The problem with this whole situation, it's going to be frustrating because I'm doing it by myself, is that I have to feed it through the rim with no way to, you know, keep it kind of elevated. And all right, perfect. Okay, that really hurts. It's digging into me. All right. So I have to line up these holes so that when I bolt it down from the other side, they're nice and clean, which makes it more fun coming from the other side because I have to make sure that it's guided in just the right way, and then it threads through all the way to the other side as well. Wait, did we do this right? Yeah, we did. Okay. Should be facing the right direction. The brakes are always on the same side. Okay. I don't know what's happening here. Oh, God. Okay. This is what I was talking about, too. Fucking A. Give me a second. All right. Gosh, after some workout here, I had to feed it through the smaller one to get it to latch onto the other side where it has the brake and the motor hub. So I'm going to detach the other one that I was just using to hold it together, and then we'll work our way around, because there's the longer ones will go through the shorter ones, but the shorter ones will go through these taller ones. So it's just the short ones holding the wheel hub together, but the longer ones are holding the wheel hub and the motor together. I'll be right back. All right, so it turns out that I was doing it wrong. I have to undo all of them, and it does go through the long side to connect to the other side. So the short ones are actually supposed to be short ones. So let's do this all over again, and I'll be right back. All right, well, I reattached everything. I'm trying to ratchet strap this thing down so I can get some air, and I can't seem to get it to settle so that there's enough of a seal between the frame and the tire. So another fun issue to deal with, and hopefully we can just roll it down the street and try to get some air in it somehow. We'll check back in a minute. All right. I am trying to figure some stuff out here. I got the brakes. Usually what you have to do is take off these parts here to detach it, and then you bend this pin, pull it out, because the pin is on the other side, it's bent, and then you pull out the old brakes, and then you tighten it down. My problem is I got the valves on, I replaced both valves, and now I can't get air. So what I need to do is this gap, I shouldn't have this gap at all. I need to have it like flush to the thing. So I have to figure out how to fix that. But I'm not going to do anymore. I'm really frustrated and really tired. I'm about to miss my bus to get to work. And yeah, I probably look really gross and dirty. So I guess I'll see you guys next time. You guys didn't see much, but it was a fun wrestling experience trying to get this thing back together. I'm going to end up taking the next bus, which is in the next like 15 minutes. So I have to find ratchet strap so that I can press the tire against the frame and try to get the airflow. Yeah, see you guys next time.
But it's always a surprise when